Hello everyone, welcome back to Caterpillar. In the previous slide, we have already discussed what are the two main types of reproduction, that is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Today in this slide, we are going to discuss asexual reproduction in detail. Let's begin. The main point of asexual reproduction is that only single parent is involved in asexual reproduction. So, the product of asexual reproduction will be morphologically and genetically identical to each other. So, they are known as clones. So, clones are the product of asexual reproduction or offsprings of asexual reproduction which are morphologically and genetically identical to each other, and they are also identical to their parents, or we can see they are the exact photocopies of their parents. Why the product of asexual reproduction are identical to each other and to their parents? Because in asexual reproduction only single parent is involved, so there doesn't happening the mixing of genes. So the product of asexual reproduction will be identical to their parents and to the siblings. Name clones. Product of asexual reproduction, clones. Asexual reproduction is commonly seen in single-celled organisms and plants and animals with a relatively simple organization. We know the five kingdoms, that is kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. The relatively simple organism fall into kingdom Monera and Protista, and most of the organisms under this kingdom shows asexual reproduction. The two common examples of asexual reproduction is binary fission and budding. Let's look these two in detail. First, binary fission. In binary fission, the parent cell divided into two equal halves and each half developed into a new adult. That is, the parent cell first undergo maturation and then its nucleus divide. After that, its cytoplasmic division occurs and finally a parent cell become two new daughter cells. And each new daughter cell developed into a new adult. Here, the main point is that the parent cell is divided into two equal halves. That is, the division is equal and each divided part become a new organism. Common example, amoeba and paramecium. Next is budding. And budding is commonly seen in yeast. Here the division is unequal. The nuclear division occurs, then a small bud is produced from the parent cell and it gets attached to the parent cell. Later, it get detached from the parent cell and become into a new adult. Here, the division is unequal. First, a small bud is produced from the parent, and in initial stage, it get attached to the parent cell. After attaining some maturity, it get detached from the parent cell and developed into a new adult. In some organisms like small plants, algae and members of some kingdom fungi and other organisms have special asexual reproductive structure. Let's have a look on it. That is, here we have for example, in the picture A, that is, it is the zoospore of Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is an algae and it shows asexual reproduction through the production of zoospore. And we have already discussed that in asexual reproduction there can be production of gamete or not. Here zoospore is a gamete. So Chlamydomonas is an example of asexual reproduction with a gamete formation. So first example, zoospore of Chlamydomonas. In second, Penicillium is a fungi and it reproduces through special asexual reproductive structure, conidia. In the C, it is Hydra and it reproduces through buds. That is, small bud is produced from the parental body and first it remains attached to it and later it gets detached and becomes new organism. The fourth is sponge. In sponge, gemmules is the asexual reproductive structure. Each gemmule developed into new adult. So the four special asexual reproductive structures are zoospore of Chlamydomonas, conidia of Penicillium, buds in Hydra and gemmules of sponge. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.